Hello everyone and welcome to the video presentation of my project where I'll be providing my insights to the management of AtliQ Hardware. So let's talk about AtliQ Hardware. So AtliQ Hardware manufacture hardware components like personal computers, laptop, PC and etc. Currently they are operating in 27 different countries across the world. So their business is expanding. So they decided to expand their team as well. So the analytics director of AtliQ Hardware decided to conduct an SQL challenge where the participants have to solve 10 ad hoc requests. Based on the request, they have to analyze the data and provide the insights to the management team. Before getting into the tasks, I would like to give you an overview of the operational structure of AtliQ Hardware. AtliQ Hardware have three main product divisions, which is network and storage, peripherals and accessories, and personal computers. Further, they have six product segments as follows, which is notebook, accessories, peripherals, desktop storage, and networking. They reach their end consumers through three distribution channels, which is retailers like Chroma and Amazon, their direct stores like AtliQ Store, AtliQ Exclusive, and distributors like Neptune. So let's get into the tasks. The first task is to provide the list of markets in which the customer AtliQ Exclusive operates its business in the Asia Pacific and China region. We found they are currently operating in 8 different regions in the APAC region, which is including South Korea, Japan, Philippines, Indonesia, and etc. The second task is to find what is the percentage of unique product increase from the year 2020 to 2021. Here we can see from the year 2020, in the year 2020 we had 245 products, and which increased to 334 in the year 2021, which is a positive increase of 36.33 percentage. And then the third task is to provide a report with all unique products for each segment. Um, from the report, we can see the notebook segment has the highest number of unique products, that is, which is 129 products, followed by peripherals and accessories. Um, the networking segment has the very few products, which indicates we need a further product innovation in this segment. And then fourth task is to find which segment had the most increase in unique products. So here we can see the accessory segment had 69 products in the year 2020, which has been increased to 103. The total difference is 34 products, and overall across all the segments we had an increase of 89 products from the year 2020 to 2021. And significantly the desktop segment had increased the number of products around 200 percentage, which is very higher comparatively compared to other segments. And to arrive at this result, I have used common table expressions because we have to calculate the product count for the year 2020 and 2021 separately, and using that we have to find the difference of products for the each segment. So using a subquery can be a little uh, confusing for other users. So instead of using subquery, it is evident we can use common table expressions here. And the fifth task is to get the product that have the highest and lowest manufacturing cost. The products AQ Home Allen 1 Generation 2, which is a personal computer, cost around $263, which is the highest among all other products. And mouse costing $0.86, which is AQ Master Wired, which is the lowest manufacturing cost. And to arrive at the result, I have used subquery here because it is a simple calculation where we are doing the calculating the maximum and minimum manufacturing cost. So it is evident we can use subqueries here. And the task 6 is to generate a report which contains the top 5 customers who received an average high pre-invoice discount percentage for the year 2021. So the Indian market, the Flipkart, Vivex, eZone, Chroma, and Amazon have received highest pre-invoice discount. Um, um, and Flipkart tops the list with 30.83 percentage, which indicates that all these products have sold a large volume of our products. So if we provide further pre-invoice discount for them, maybe our uh, quantity of sales increase in those regions. The next task is to get the complete report of gross sales amount for the customer AtliQ exclusive for each month. From the sales trend chart, we can see in the month of March, the sales have been reduced to 1.42 million, which is we know which is due to COVID-19 because we faced a major crisis during that period. But we had a recovery sales of 28.51 million in the same year in the month of November. And if we take a look at the sales trend of 2021, we can also see that the number of sales has increased to 62.3 million in the month of November of 2021. So from the 2020 and 2021 sales trend, we can see there is a continuous increase in the sales during the month of November, which is around 110 percentage increase from the previous year. So in the during the month of November, which is also a festive season, if we can offer festive discounts or pre-campaigns, which may help our further increase of sales. And to arrive at this query, I have used a virtual table, also known as views. Here we have found the result for AtliQ exclusive. If in the future we have to find the same result for any other customers, we can use this virtual table to arrive at the result instead of writing the query continuously. And the next task is to find in which quarter of 2020 we got the maximum total sold quantity. So in the quarter Q3, Q1, we have sold a total quantity of 26.7 million, which is the highest in the year. And if we see in Q3, we have a very lower sales, which is 7.9 million. The Q1 quarter contains the September month of September, October, and November, where AtliQ's fiscal year starts from September. So as the month of November lies in Q1, the sales have the number of quantities sold is automatically increased. And the next task is to find which channel helped to bring more gross sales in the fiscal year 2021 and their percentage of contribution. So here from the pie chart, we can see the retailer channel has contributed around 73 percentage of the total gross sales, followed by AtliQ's direct stores at around 16 percentage. And the 10th and final task is to get the top 3 products in each division that have a high total sold quantity in the fiscal year 2021. So from the result, we can see the network and storage division has the total sold quantity, highest total sold quantity. Among them, the AQ pen drive has got the maximum rank, followed by peripherals and accessories and personal computers. With this, I have completed my project presentation. I hope you liked it, and thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video. And bye.